Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again with another Ipsy box. It is the September box. So let's go ahead real quick and let me show you guys what I get in my September box. So this is the base box. We're just gonna go through the item real quick. So my first item or product is from House Labs, and it is by Lady Gaga. It looks like it's like a lip, looks like so. And oh, that is pink. Look like this. It is, yeah, it has a little smell, and then it is the Le Monsieur lip crayon. I don't know, man. This is bright for today. Bright. Let us jump in our other product, and this is from Danessa Myricks, and it is an Infinity Chrome Micropencil. And oh, this color is pretty, and it looks like so. You can barely see it. See, like right here. Like right here. So this is cute. Actually, I'm pretty sure I wear that today in my waterline. We're moving quick. We already have 5 products in here. The other product is from Conserving Beauty, and it's a Conserve You. It's a face oil, which looks like so. It's kind of cute. It looks like, you know, they right here. I don't know why I put all this product on my face. It has a nice clean smell. I like breaking out. I have a pimple here and then I have another one here. That feels good. My hubby has another oil. And we only have 2 more products, and this is from the Inky List. It's a exfoliating serum, which looks like so, and it's the mandelic acid and rice bran, gentle exfoliate. Last but not least, this is from Tarte, and then it is the Maracuja Juicy Blush, and then this shade is Ochred, which I think is like an orangey shade. Not really. It's like this. Oh god. So you can kind of see it. I don't know. We'll see how that works out. So this is from Tarte, and I'm gonna use, this is a foundation brush. Actually, it's an It Cosmetic brush. And this is Ochred from Tarte. This is kind of greasy. Just a little bit greasy, I think. Well, it says juicy, but I'm like, God. Is it juicy or is it greasy? Let's put her down. But anyway, I want to use the Danessa Myricks liner that I got in my Boxycharm or Ipsy box. So this is breaking, so that's not good. And this just broke like twice. See, stuff like that, when it breaks, it doesn't last. So that's definitely something to keep in mind if you're gonna buy these. That they are gonna break. It's cute, but it literally broke in 2 seconds. I made them a little bit rough, but it still broke. And then maybe it should come with like some kind of, you know, like, oh, this breaks easy. I don't know. I'm just being silly, but you know what I mean, right? Like, but let's go through the boxes real quick. So, what I got in my Boxycharm. The first product was from Tarte, and it was the Tarte blush, which was $30.
Don't know where to waste my nights. You can come here, join a real low life. Hiding our heads on the pillows. Wonder what real friends are made of. Not gonna leave, been stuck for a while.
Then I got that pencil from Danessa Myricks. It was breaking like every couple of seconds, so that was $22.
Don't be sorry for being honest. Sure you know I'm a fight, but I'ma let go. Lately, my heart's been in the backseat, waiting for a wave, for the wonderful life. Hurt me, don't care, I only fall free, aching all my life.
The other product I got was from House Labs, and it was that lip pencil. I did not use it because it really wasn't gonna go with this look, and that was also $22.
I lose control. Every time I care, every time I swear, I don't want your praise, I don't need the air. I lose control. I lose control. It's a sport, riding a horse. You I adore. Don't want remorse. My brain moves light speed. Don't mean no lie with me. And I wanna get high with it. Do you wanna be part of it?
We got an oil. It's a face oil. I use it a little bit, but again, these things you can't really say, hey, is it gonna be good or not good, because you have to test it, you know. And that was $55. And then
Be for free, aching all my life, for the wonderful times. Everything I do, everything I say, I don't really change, I'm still the same. I lose control. I lose control. Every time I care, every time I swear, I don't want your praise, I don't need the air. I lose control. I lose control.
And then we have the acid serum, like balm cleansing situation, and that was $20.50 from Inky List.
Don't know where to waste my nights. You can come here, join a real low life. Hiding our heads on the pillows. Wonder what real friends are made of. Not gonna leave, been stuck for a while. Drinking from the get-go till I'm too small. Hiding my head on the pillows. Wonder what your friends are made of. Don't be sorry for being honest. Sure you know I'm a fight, but I'ma let go. Lately, my heart's been in the back.
So the total that I got on my box is $149.50. Again, the boxes, it was an okay box. Like it's a hit and miss. Some days a good box, some days not so good box, so it just depends. So yeah, so that's it guys for this, you know, what I got in my Boxycharm or Ipsy box. You know, this is, you already know the deal, right? So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.